Thanks for joining me. This lab session is entitled JMeter Installation. Now, if you are ready to install JMeter, do the following. Go to the URL that's shown here, and it will be in the resource file as well. On the page, scroll down a little and select where you see the page looks like the following. Select the zip link for Windows machines and the TGZ file link for other machines. Decompress the file and locate it on your machine. For Windows, place the JMeter package under the Documents folder. Go back to the Environment Variables window and add two more entries, JMeter_bin and JMeter_home. The bin variable should point to the path that ends with the bin/folder. The home variable should point to the main directory path of JMeter. See the examples in the display. To verify that the JMeter system is ready for use, use Windows Explorer to locate the JMeter package path and open the bin directory. Locate a file named jmeter.bat. Double-click the file and momentarily JMeter should launch. Close the tool by clicking on the X box or the File Exit option. When JMeter is installed for our class, there is not much to do. However, if you are going to install it for your job or project, consider the real-time setup approach. One more piece of work is configuration. The JMeter bin directory contains several property files that should be reviewed. There are some items in the JMeter IDE that should be considered, and there are test controls to consider each time a new test is developed. By now you should be aware that installation of JMeter is very simple. It boils down to downloading the software that's in a compressed format and expanding that file and locating it where you want it to be, typically for Windows under the Document folder. Now, I can go to the Environment Variables and locate, hold on a second. There we go. Let me move it over so you can see it. So here we are with the system properties, and there's a button on it called Environment Variables. I click there, and now I can see the system variables and user variables that are defined. Well, what I'm wanting to point out to you is, once again, the variables that are associated with JMeter. There are two of them, JMeter_bin and JMeter_home. The bin variable points to the path where Apache JMeter is located, its bin folder, and you must have a backslash on that path. The JMeter home is located in the path or the folder above the bin directory. And that's what you need there to utilize JMeter. In Windows Explorer, we can locate JMeter and all of its components, and I'm showing it here. If I click here, you can see the full path, and we also have the bin directory there, which is the most important, which contains the executable software. Also, if I go back you can see other folders that have been created that I've created to create a structure for the JMeter area. We'll talk about some of that in a later video. My time has ended for this session. I thank you for yours. Join me in the next video.